so I think the metal, the gold is yours, the
Yes.
diamonds are yours.
Yes.
Someone giving you the design, then you can make, or
Yes.
you have your own design portfolio.
Yes, yes,
So if
that's
some-
perfect.
Hey friend, this is Amit Mulani from Amit Mulani and team, and right now we are here at Bangkok Gems and Jewellery Show 2024. So we are visiting right now. It is the Lara Diamond and Cal with me from the company. Let me ask some question about the company and the craftsmanship. But before that, I just want to say that the craftsmanship of the company is too good. This is so precise, and you can just check the setting. They have the gemstone, different kind of the jewelries, and also diamond studded jewelry. But the cleanliness of the jewelry and the precision is too good. I
Thank
must
you
say
so
that
much. Thank you.
someone is saying the jewelry and they've been in love with the jewelry. Absolutely.
Of course.
So, Kel, just tell me about your company. That
Okay.
your company is manufacturing these products in Bangkok
Okay.
since which year?
Okay, so we in the business 43 years.
Okay.
So I'm a second generation after my mom, and we do the wholesale
Okay.
and manufacturing. And I just opened my new brand, Lara
Okay.
Diamond, this year. So it's my first time to join the Bangkok Gems and Jewelry Fair.
Okay. So this is your first time when
Yes.
you are participating over here.
Yes.
And you are planning to go with the Hong Kong show, I think.
Yes, of
as you
course,
told.
next year.
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely. So Lara is the brand of particularly your own manufacturing company. And-
For the jewelry.
Yeah, for the jewelry,
retail.
and also
Yes.
you are doing the third party manufacturing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So right now you have the worldwide clients
Yes, of course.
in the different countries.
Yes, of
Where
course.
you are exporting right now?
Dubai
Okay.
and like Round and Burma as well.
Okay. So right now
Yes.
you are exporting over there.
Yes.
So Carol, I just want to ask you that the diamonds been purchased from where?
We import from Belgium.
Okay.
Of course, it's the largest trading hub
Yeah,
for
true.
diamond.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah, yeah. Because you will find out all kind of the diamonds over there.
Yes.
Okay,
We're gonna
perfect.
shoot the greatest one for the customer.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I just want to ask about your business model.
Sure.
And there is one company want to
Yes.
manufacturing their
Yes.
products.
Yes.
If they are giving you the designs,
Yes.
so you people are making the same kind of the product for them.
Actually, no.
Okay.
We do it separately.
Okay.
We like now we in the Lara Diamond. We have the like own design,
Okay.
and we have designer in house.
Okay,
So
perfect.
and we can do the custom made for the customer as well.
Okay.
Yeah, they just give us like what they want, so we can do everything for them.
So I think the metal, the gold is yours, the
Yes.
diamonds are yours.
Yes.
Someone giving you the design, then you can make, or
Yes.
you have your own design portfolio.
Yes, yes,
So if
that's
some-
perfect. Yes,
Yeah, someone want to buy, then they can
Yes.
buy from your design portfolio.
of course, absolutely.
Okay, that's
Yes.
great. That's great.
Yes.
I'm so impressed with your craftsmanship and the
Thank you.
presentation of your product.
Thank
I'm
you.
wishing greatest luck for your future.
Thank you
and
so
go
much.
ahead and have a great life ahead, future.
Thank you.
But obvious, I hoping that in future you
Sure.
will be a big brand
Thank
all over
you.
the Thailand, all over the world.
Thank
God
you
bless.
so much.
Thank
ขอบคุณ
you.
ค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
Pleasure
Thank
for your
you.
time.
Thank you.
अगर आप इंडिया से जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट बिजनेस सीखना चाहते हैं तो ज्वाइन कीजिए ऑनलाइन मास्टर कोर्स हिंदी और इंग्लिश में। फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन विजिट amitmulani.com।